Ever wonder how you can maintain or even lose weight during Ramadan while still observing the fast? It's a question that lingers in many minds during this holy month. The key lies in a well-balanced diet plan, one that's not only effective for weight loss, but also ensures that you're getting the right nutrients during your fasting periods. In this video, we'll delve into such a diet plan tailor-made for Ramadan. Stay tuned as we reveal a Ramadan diet plan that can help you achieve your weight loss goals. A carefully planned diet for Ramadan is crucial in maintaining your energy levels and helping you lose weight. Let's delve into the details of each meal you'll consume during this holy month. Starting with suhoor, the pre-dawn meal that is your fuel for the day. It's essential that this meal is high in complex carbohydrates and protein. Foods like whole grains, oats, and lean meats are excellent choices as they release energy slowly, keeping you satiated and energetic throughout the day. Moving on to iftar, the meal to break the fast. Traditionally, fast is broken with dates and water, a practice that has great nutritional merit. Dates are packed with natural sugars, fiber, potassium, and magnesium, providing an immediate energy boost. Water rehydrates your body, preparing your system for the meal that follows. Your iftar meal should be balanced and nutrient-rich, consisting of lean protein, vegetables, and whole grains to replenish your body's nutrient stores. Remember, the key is not just what you eat, but also when you eat. Spacing your meals and snacks evenly can help regulate your blood sugar levels and prevent energy slumps. With the right foods and the right timing, you can make the most of your Ramadan fast and work towards your weight loss goals. In summary, the key to a successful Ramadan weight loss diet plan is balance and timing. It's crucial to understand the importance of suhoor, the pre-dawn meal. This meal should be packed with complex carbohydrates and proteins to keep you going through the day. Iftar, the meal to break your fast, should be light and balanced, including a mix of proteins, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Opt for fruits, nuts, and yogurt, which offer essential nutrients and help keep your metabolism active. Don't forget, staying hydrated is just as important. And of course, getting adequate sleep is a significant part of maintaining a healthy lifestyle, especially during Ramadan. Remember, Ramadan is a time for spiritual reflection and growth. Make sure your diet plan supports your physical health so you can focus on your spiritual journey. Happy fasting, and may you achieve your weight loss goals this Ramadan. Like this video and subscribe to our channel. Check out the link in description below.